Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box from the company called Bradley Mountain. Today it's raining out there, but my postman really great to my delivery. He put my boxes in a plastic bag, so thanks to him or her, my package came dry. No rain on it, so thankfully. I believe Bradley Mountain is a company based in California, and I think they make their products in US. So first item came out the box is this. This was from their Mother's Day sales. My mom is not with me. She is still back in Malaysia. I miss my mom, so maybe it's a good day to shop for Mother's Day sale, right? Just kidding. This is a bandana. I thought the wave pattern is really beautiful, and I think this is a great color. I was thinking to get this for my friend, but who knows? Maybe I'll learn to use bandana myself. Maybe I can use it to decorate my bag or something. It does come in a really nice box. And at the back of the box it says ways to wear the bandana. Put it in your pocket, your head, on your neck. So maybe I should try it sometime. And then here's another item. This, they call it their Coal Tote. Made from really thick wax canvas. So it's naturally water resistant. And I like the size of it. It's really a good size to carry a lot of stuff, and always love a big pocket outside so that I can put my phone and stuff. The back of it is just plain, nothing on the back. So let's look at inside. Inside is a big black hole, and they do have this kind of a unique design for hook on your keychain and key fob here, with the leather tab here that attached to the outside of the rivet. So, and then it also comes with a kind of a shoulder strap and crossbody strap. It's not non-removable, so if you don't use it, you just stuck it inside, and it hides it really well. So you can't really see if you don't plan to use it. But otherwise, it's convenient, because if you go shopping and you end up you need to use a crossbody strap, you can just put this on and continue your shopping journey. But it's not a very long strap, so if you are bigger or you prefer the bag hang lower, this may not work for you. I always love products from this company, so if you like to support American business, check out this company, Bradley Mountain. I believe they are based in California, and the tag says it's made in USA. Anyway, thanks for joining me for today's unboxing, and I have been doing a tons of unboxing lately, so hopefully things start to slow down and I can start to do more reviews and comparison videos. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!